everyone. I'm Lara, and this is TutorTalks.
And I'm Jack, your English buddy.
Today, we're taking you on a trip. Literally, we're going to the airport to learn all the English you need for traveling.
Nice. I always get nervous at airports. There's check-in, security, boarding, so many steps.
Don't worry, Jack. And you, dear listener, by the end of this episode, you'll speak like a confident traveler. Ready to fly?
Bags packed? Let's go.
All right, you just arrived at the airport. The first thing you do is check in. Here's how a natural English conversation goes.
Hello, I have a flight to London. Can I check in here?
Sure. Can I have your passport and ticket, please?
Here you go.
Perfect. Everyone say that with us. Here you go. It's polite and simple. You'll use it everywhere when giving something.
And what's next?
They'll ask, how many bags are you checking in?
Oh, so I can say just one suitcase, or I have 2 bags.
That's right. Then they'll give you your boarding pass. You can ask, can I have my boarding pass, please?
Can I have my boarding pass, please? Got it.
Make sure to check the gate number and boarding time. Those tell you where and when to go.
Gate number... That's where the plane leaves from, right?
Exactly. It's like your airplane door. Don't miss it. Planes don't wait. Now comes the part that makes many travelers nervous. Security check.
Yeah, all the beeping and belts. I never know what to say.
Don't worry. It's easier than it looks. Here's how it usually goes. Can I see your boarding pass and passport, please?
Here you go.
Please remove your jacket and put your bag on the belt.
Okay, I can do that.
If you don't understand something, just say, sorry, can you repeat that, please? Or, can you say that again slowly?
Sorry, can you repeat that, please? Can you say that again slowly?
Perfect. Those 2 phrases are lifesavers. Use them anytime you're confused.
Relieved. What about liquids? I always forget the rules.
Ah, yes. If they ask, do you have any liquids in your bag? You can say, no, I don't. Or, yes, I have a small bottle of water. But remember, no big bottles.
Got it. No shampoo explosions this time.
Exactly. Okay, security done. Now you have time before boarding. Maybe you want a snack or coffee.
Airport coffee. What should I say when ordering?
Easy. Try, can I see the menu, please? Or, I'd like a coffee, please.
Can I see the menu, please? I'd like a coffee, please.
Nice and polite. You sound ready to blend in anywhere.
And if I get lost?
Then just ask, excuse me, where is gate 12B? Or, how do I get to gate 12B?
Excuse me, where is gate 12B? That sounds easy.
Exactly. English doesn't have to be complicated, just clear and polite. Oh, listen. Flight 102 to London is now boarding at gate 12B.
That's us. What should I say when boarding?
When you show your boarding pass, you can just smile and say hello or thank you. Simple but polite.
Hello? Thank you.
Perfect. Then find your seat, the numbers on your boarding pass.
Mine says 14A.
That's a window seat. If you prefer the aisle, you can ask, excuse me, is it okay if we switch seats?
Only if they say yes.
Exactly. And don't forget your manners. Flights are long, so a smile goes a long way. Now that you're seated, let's practice phrases for the flight.
Like asking for something?
Yes. Say, excuse me, can I have a blanket, please? Or, can I have some water?
Can I have some water, please?
Perfect. If you didn't understand what the attendant said, use this. Sorry, I didn't understand. Can you repeat, please?
That one's my favorite. I use it everywhere.
Good habit. Also, when the plane lands, don't rush. Wait for the seatbelt sign to turn off.
Finally, I can stand up and stretch.
Exactly. Then you go to passport control. At passport control, the officer may ask questions like, "Why are you here?" or "How long will you stay?"
I'm here for vacation. I'll stay for 2 weeks.
Perfect. Always be honest and calm.
Then what's next?
You go to baggage claim, where you pick up your suitcase.
What if I can't find it?
Easy. Say, "Excuse me, I can't find my bag."
Excuse me, I can't find my bag.
Exactly. After that, you'll pass through customs.
That word always confuses me.
It's where officers check what you're bringing into the country. There are 2 lines. Green means nothing to declare. Red means you have something to declare.
Declare means to tell them what you have?
Yes. For example, you can say, "I have personal items, nothing to declare."
I have personal items, nothing to declare.
Perfect. You're ready for any airport in the world now.
Laura, I made it! I can see people holding signs and waiting for travelers.
That's the arrival area. If someone's picking you up, they'll be there. If not, you can take a taxi, bus, or train.
What should I say to a taxi driver?
Say, "Hello, can you take me to this address?" and show your hotel or destination.
That sounds simple. I think I can do it now.
You absolutely can. You learned everything from check-in to customs. Let's review together. Repeat after us.
Hello, I have a flight to London. Can I check in here?
Here you go.
Can I have my boarding pass, please?
Excuse me, where is gate 12B?
Can I have a coffee, please?
I have personal items, nothing to declare. Great job! You just completed your first English trip.
So, when are we flying for real?
Soon. But for now, let's land this lesson. Thank you for learning with us today. If you enjoyed this lesson, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tutor Talks for more real-life English conversations every week.
And tell us in the comments, where do you want to travel next?
Keep practicing, stay confident, and remember, English takes off when you do.